Okay, uh, friends, today I'll show if you are getting this kind of issue and operating system was not found, try disconnecting any drive that don't contain an operating system. Press any key to restart. So if you are getting this kind of issue, then I'll show you how to solve this. Okay, so press any key. First you have to put the pen drive, bootable pen drive, so you can get that. So I have put already this bootable pen drive of Windows 10. So now I'll show. So I'll show you here this to go for next, because okay, so now I'll show you how to repair that, because first attempt you do for repair, even I am doing first time. Okay, repair your computer. Let's see what will happen. Repair here, continue, exit and troubleshoot your PC, reset this PC, let's use to remove your files and reinstall Windows. Advanced option. So we have given for repair. So once repaired, we will see what will happen. Wow, it's nice. It's our Windows has come. Let's see. Now I'll log in. Let's see. We are logging into the PC, because last time we was not able to log into the PC because it's showing there is no operating system in the PC suddenly, right? So let's see, let's log in. Wow, good. So it's coming now. So this is how, if you get that kind of issue that there is no operating system in this laptop or PC, so you can repair your PC with putting a bootable pen drive. So this is how now we solve that. So thank you, hope you like the video.